Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to invest in Betterment. First, you'll need to understand what Betterment is and how it works. Betterment is a leading robo-advisor that simplifies investing by automating your portfolio management. It uses advanced algorithms to create and manage diversified portfolios, aligning them with your specific financial goals and risk appetite. This platform makes investing accessible, even for beginners, with a low initial deposit requirement, often as little as $10 to get started. Setting up your Betterment account is straightforward. You'll start by creating your profile and securely linking your bank account for seamless deposits and withdrawals. Next, clearly define your financial goals, whether it's saving for retirement, a future home, or simply growing your wealth. Betterment will then guide you through a brief risk assessment questionnaire. Your answers help the platform understand your comfort level with market fluctuations, ensuring your portfolio is perfectly aligned with your individual risk tolerance. Once your account is set up, Betterment takes over the heavy lifting. The platform automatically rebalances your portfolio, ensuring it consistently aligns with your chosen asset allocation. A key feature is tax loss harvesting, which can help reduce your taxable income by selling investments at a loss to offset gains. Regarding fees, Betterment charges a competitive annual advisory fee, typically around 0.25% of your assets under management, making it a cost-effective investing solution. Beyond the core services, Betterment offers several advanced features to enhance your investing journey. For those seeking personalized guidance, you can access financial advisors for an additional fee. The platform's goal-based investing allows you to manage and track progress across various financial objectives simultaneously. Furthermore, you can set up automated deposits and withdrawals, ensuring a disciplined approach to saving and investing without constant manual intervention, helping you stay on track effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.